Hello and welcome to this video, where we'll be showing you how to apply the Eiger 3D glass screen protector to the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. We'll also be putting it through its paces and testing out how well it works with the phone, and more importantly, the fingerprint reader. Before we begin, take a moment to remove your phone from its case and set it down onto a clean, flat workspace. To prepare your phone screen, use a supply cleaning wipe to remove any dirt, oil and smudges from the display. Next, use the drying cloth to dry the screen, before using the dust removal stickers to take care of any remaining dust or lint. With your display now prepared, turn your attention to the protector itself. Carefully remove the film from the sensor hole, taking care not to touch the adhesive. Next, peel back tab 1 and remove the protective film. You can now begin lowering the protector to your S10 Plus, taking care to align it perfectly by using the camera and speaker as a guide. When you're happy with alignment, begin applying pressure to the fingerprint sensor and the edges of your S10 Plus. This will ensure the adhesive sticks correctly to your phone. Once you've done this, peel back the final protective film from the fingerprint area. To make the fingerprint reader more effective, I do recommend re-registering your fingerprint after installation. Doing this will make sure you can unlock your phone with no issues every time. With this now complete, you can enjoy using your S10 Plus while keeping the display protected at all times. Instantly, I was surprised by the premium nature of Eiger's screen protector. It doesn't affect the use of your phone, meaning you can use it just like you normally would. Samsung's ultrasonic fingerprint reader works perfectly even with this on. We tested it out multiple times and had no issues unlocking the phone. I did find the circle surrounding the fingerprint reader to be a little annoying. There's an obvious dip in the glass, and while there is a protective film here, I feel that dirt can easily become caught in this area. You can definitely notice this when swiping on your phone, but I do think this is something you get used to over time. I really like the simplicity of the installation. It's hassle-free and you can be good to go in a couple of moments. This protector handles daily use of the phone flawlessly, with perfect touch precision and crystal clear clarity, meaning you can watch your favourite videos, play games and even browse social media without any issues. In terms of case compatibility, I found there were no issues when combining the Eiger 3D glass protector with a case. The combination is perfect and the case doesn't lift the protector's edges when added. This allows you to give your S10 Plus 360-degree protection at all times. Overall, this is a great choice for the S10 Plus. The invisible look and feel gives the impression that the protector isn't applied, which allows you to enjoy using your phone without any implications. It would have been nice to not have an obvious dip around the fingerprint sensor, however, this is a small sacrifice to make for amazing protection. That's all we have for this video. Please do let us know your thoughts in the comments below. For more information or to even purchase the Eiger 3D glass screen protector for your S10 Plus, I'll leave a link in the description and comments of this video.